You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn together how to pronounce the name of this newly elected Prime Minister of Thailand. So, as recording this video, she's the PM. The Thai pronunciation, if you want to learn more Thai names, stay tuned, we've got more coming up. Paetongtarn Shinawatra. It sounds like the tra at the end. It's written tra, but it's not really pronounced. Paetongtarn Shinawatra. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.